Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Quads Missed by Crusader175. So we are continuing our Fog of War theme week. So let's go over the rules. We have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules, meaning in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have a lot of cells that are covered by fog. These are these dark gray cells. That fog will be revealed as we place correct digits. So if I place a correct digit here, then all of the cells around it will be revealed if they're not already. If you place a digit in the fog and it's correct, it'll reveal that cell and all the cells around it. Now that course could mean that you could use that to just fish out the correct digit for a cell. That's not the intent, though. The intent is for you to use logic to know that that's what that digit needs to be before you place it. You're only cheating yourself if you do it the other way, if you guess. The intent by the setter is for there to be no guessing. All right, we also have quadruples in the grid. So that's these circles. You can sort of imagine this circle continues and it's got numbers in it. And those numbers tell you which digits must appear at least once each in the cells surrounding the quad. So the quads always touch 4 cells. And so here we can see a 2 and a 3. So we know there must be a 2 somewhere in these 4 cells and a 3 somewhere in these 4 cells. Now, let's continue reading the rules here. There seems to be something special. So if there were 2 2s, for example, let's say this was a 2 and then a 2 here, then that means that 2 2s must appear. Each of the 2s references a different 2. So if there's 2 2, this was 2 2 3 3, for example, then there'd be 2 2s and 2 3s in these 4 cells. There's only a singular 2. There could be 1 2, but there could also be 2 2s. There could be 3 2s. Well, there can't actually be 3 2s if you think about it, but it's an at least once per. Okay. All quadruple clues contain 4 digits in the circle, written in ascending order from left to right, top to bottom. So we can't have, so if this was 2 3 4, so there are 4 digits specified in the circle. And if it was 2 3 4 5, then we'd have to go left to right, 2 3 4 5. So that might hint at what that one is. And that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. There is also a tracking sheet that's extremely useful with all of the links. And I'm going to get started right now. So I think I accidentally gave this away. I was just talking about the rules, but it is pretty clear here that this has to be 2 2 3 3. Because we need a number in every single one of these slots. And so that is going to force the only number that could go here is a 2 or a 3. But if it was a 3, then we need 3 3s. And we can't put 3 3s in these cells because we only have 2 rows and 2 columns. So this is 2 2 3 3. I hope that makes sense. Giving us a bunch of 2 3 pairs. Now, I'm a little bit concerned about how that affects this one here. Yeah, so the order doesn't matter, right? So that means we need that whatever this digit is, it's going to be here or here. We definitely need a 1 and a 6 in here somewhere. Okay, let's do this one first. This is 3 3 4 4 for the same reason this was 2 2 3 3. So this is a bunch of 3 4 pairs. And so now this is a 1 6 pair. And so we know that this 2 3 2 3 and 4 are the 2 digits that are hiding there. So we know what all these quads are. I'm curious. Okay, so here's how we get some digits here. There's a 2 3 pair here. So where does 2 go in this box? And the answer is only here, because this has to be a 3 4 pair. That's our first reveal. And then we have a 3 4 pair here, meaning 4 is not here. So 4 in this box goes here. And there we go. We do have the double 3 there. So we know this is a 1 6 pair. It's not just, hey, this is 1 6 or this is 1 6. This is a 1 6 pair because we need both 1 and 6 around this quad. So I could say the other 1 6 goes down here. I guess we actually know exactly what goes down here. It's 1 5 6. So this is 1 5 6. Okay. That's maybe not as helpful as I thought. How do we get more progress here? Right. So we know because of these 2 3s, we know this is a 2 3 pair, but we also have a 3 4 pair here. So that gives us this 2 and this 3. And now we know, okay, we do in the corner, but this is a 1 2 3 5 quad. And so this is a 1 5 pair. And so that gives us this 6 here, the 1 and the 5. The 1 does give us this 6. Remember, we need a 1 and a 6 around this quad. So those are not 6s. Actually, the fact that I need a 5 up here is means that we need a 5 in this column somewhere, and it can't go here because the 5 is over here. So the 5 ends up all the way down here in this column. That's 1 and 5. This is 4 and 6. So the 3-4 pair tells us the order. This is 6 and 4. So this is, yeah, we need a 2. This is 2, and this is 6, and then this is our 1. We get a 5 and a 1 here. So we now know that there's a 6 in here. That was forced already, though. But I guess the 6 ends up here with a 5. So this is 5, 6. So if this is 5, 6, this 2, 3 needs to end up here. This 2 tells us the order. That's 3 and 2. We get another D in the corner. All right, so we know we need the 3, 4, 5, 6. So this has to be the 4. I guess that finishes the column. And this is a 1. This is 5 or 6, but we see the 5. So that's 6, that's 5, that's 6. Over here, we do need a 1. What's resolving this 2, 3? Oh, we actually revealed that this is double 3. Okay, well, let's just write this out first. This is 4, 5. So this is the 4, this is the 5. Now, this quad got revealed at some point, and we need 2 3s around it. So these are both 3. And that finishes the 2, 3 pairs, and it finishes the 3, 4 pairs. Nice. Really cool idea, and great execution, Crusader. I really enjoyed that. Great use of Fog of War, and the fact that only one of the slices of the quad gets revealed at a time. That's really neat. I hope you enjoyed this as well. If you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.